In less than 10 minutes, you can have a super tasty appetizer that everyone is going to want to eat. Welcome to Lawyer in the Kitchen. Today we're going to make something so simple, it's ridiculous. It's bacon wrapped avocado wedges, a nice appetizer everyone will love. And here's this for the ingredients. 3 avocados, a pack of bacon, and if you like some sauce, I've got some Chipotle dipping sauce. You could use ranch. We're just going to cut them into 8 wedges each avocado, wrap it in bacon, put it in the air fryer for 8 minutes on 400. All right, I already got one of these done. I'm gonna get some glasses on for this. So we're gonna do this all the way down to the pit and come on around. Then we're gonna twist. Now I already cut some of these and they were fine. However, the pit didn't come out very well. This one's not either, so we're gonna have to do it a different way. All right, so we're gonna come down here with the spoon, get it all the way down in there, and that came out pretty nicely, as you can see. So how are we gonna do this now? Well, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this in half, and that'll make the first cut, and see if I can get this pit off. Certainly got it there. And that did it. All right, so now we're just gonna cut these in half, cut the halves in half. And there's the beginning of our wedges. And we're just gonna do this with the rest of the avocado. Cut it in half, half again. It's easier to see this way. And there we got our wedges going. So we have plenty of this. We're gonna clean up a little bit and then we're gonna do the bacon. All right, so we're gonna use we tried a half piece of bacon, doesn't seem to be enough. So I'm going to use a full piece. You know what, maybe, no, that's good. Okay, so we're gonna use that. All right, we've got them in the tray and we're going to, we left a little room between them so they can get plenty of air around them. And I'm gonna cook this at 400 for 8 minutes and then we'll have a look at it. Okay, so it'll preheat first, get our sauce ready, 8 minutes. Interestingly, there's an avocado called the bacon avocado, named after James Bacon, but that has absolutely nothing to do with what we're making other than the name. The combination of bacon and avocados likely traces its origins to the avocado and bacon sandwich found in the 1933 cookbook. Just before that, the cultivation of avocados began in the United States in the early 1900s. Today, we're going to skip the toast and cook the bacon and avocado in an air fryer. All right, we're like 5 seconds from being done. I'm gonna pull them out, I'm gonna pour in some sauce. I think I hear it calling me. That says the end. And look at oh my, they're perfect. I've got this sauce. You could use ranch dressing or whatever. You can use any sauce you like. This is Kickin' Chipotle from Flavor Town from Guy Fieri's. One of my favorite shows is Triple D, Tournament of Champions. Triple G. Anyhow, so we're gonna try this, and these should maintain their position because they've cooked with the bacon on them. They look good. I can't wait to taste them. We're gonna do that in just a second and try this dipping sauce and see how we like it. All right, we let it cool down just a little bit. Gonna try one of these in the little sauce. I can't wait. You wanna try it with or without sauce?
A dab. Just.
That's incredible.
Oh my gosh.
You know, the avocado is so creamy. The bacon, of course, tastes like bacon, which you can't go wrong with that. But I like this dipping sauce. This Chipotle's got a little heat. You don't have much of a time investment here, but this is fantastic. Creamy, tasty, bacony. The sauce is good. It'd be good with ranch too.
It would. It would be good with no sauce.
It's good with anything. All right, if you like this video, I'd appreciate it if you like and subscribe. And I'll see you on next time on, you gotta say it louder over there.
I have a microphone right here.
Ah,
Yeah.
I'll see you next time on.
Lawyer in the Kitchen.
All right.